Hello handbag lovers, I am here with a bag reveal of a new brand that I haven't tried before. So I want to share that bag with you, and I also have an unboxing. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. So this is from the brand Zadig and Voltaire. I may not be saying that right. However, I saw this bag, I got it a couple months ago, I'm sure. I saw it on sale at Nordstrom's Rack, and I thought I would give it a try. So here she is. This is the small sunny satchel. They refer to it as the bowling bag, and I know this style of bag is very popular. That, based on the color and the price, I could not resist. I'm a sucker for a sale, and you know I love a handbag, and this one was very cute, so I thought I'd give it a try. Again, it was regularly $378. It was on sale for $139.97. So that's a 62% discount, and I could not resist. There was just too many things happening with this bag. I can tell you right now, this same bag is on sale at Nordstrom's for $105. Actually, it's on sale right now for $139.97 still at Nordstrom's Rack. However, at the website, Zadig and Voltaire, it's on sale for $105. So if you're interested, I would encourage you to go and take a look at that and see if that's something you would be interested in. So let me tell you about this bag. She has silver hardware. She's made with pebble leather, very soft. She has silver hardware, and you can see it has the Zadig and Voltaire embossed on the zippers throughout the bag. So very substantial silver hardware, shiny, pretty, thick, very cute. So on the handles as well as on the straps. One thing I thought was really cute about this bag is it has these zippers on the outside. And I didn't really know what the purpose was, but I learned it is to make the bag bigger. So if you really want to stuff more inside of her, you can undo these zippers and it gives the bag more capacity. So I have not worn her yet, but look how she opens up when you open up the zippers. So you see that additional red leather. So I thought that was very cute. It has the Zadig and Voltaire logo here. It looks like they're wings and a crown. So details there. So let's look inside of this bag. So she does have a key leash. And again, it is embossed with the Zadig and Voltaire. Again, shiny silver, very pretty. And it just opens up like so to attach your keys, which is very nice. It has a inside leather pocket here. So you can put your phone, which I thought that was a nice feature to have a leather pocket in the inside. And it has black interior, and that's some type of fabric lining. On the back, she has the leather tag, and she also has a zip pocket lined in leather on the back pocket, and then just a little patch, I guess, to test if you want to use material on it, or it might just be for some other purpose. I'm not really sure. So that's all the organization in this bag. I think it will hold quite a bit. I should have done a what fits, but maybe I'll do that next time since I also have the additional unboxings. You can see it has the embossing on the handles as well. The size of this bag is, she is 9 inches in height, 13 inches in width, and 5 inches in depth. So she's a pretty big bag. I'm really looking forward to carrying this bag. I think I'm going to be able to fit a lot in her. She does have the rolled handles, and the drop on the handles is 4 inches. She does have this detachable strap. Let me see if I can get that off here. So she has a detachable strap, and you can see it kind of turns here. And it is also adjustable. Again, the Zadig and Voltaire engraving on it, or embossing. So it is adjustable. So a very cute bag. Can't wait to carry her. And the fact that I got such a good deal on this bag makes her even more beautiful. So I'll let you see her all around. Isn't she cute? And you just couldn't beat the price. And the leather seems pretty high quality as well. So a very nice bag, and I know the satchels or bowling bags in this style are pretty popular. So again, if you go directly to the website, you can get a better deal than what's at Nordstrom Rack right now. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to do was an unboxing. So let me dig right into this. Okay, what do we have here? All right, you can see it's 2 of something. So I'm just going to take them out of the box. So I have the receipt from the box from, guess where? Zadig and Voltaire. So as I was looking on their website, so I think I was looking at Nordstrom Rack, and I saw that they still had the small Sunny bag on sale that I just showed you. And then I saw they had these bags on sale. And I thought, well, let me go check out their website and see if it's a better deal once again. Oh my goodness. This is the Sunny, it's the extra small suede patent satchel bag. And she is in the color plum. So it's the same bag, much smaller version in suede with patent leather. So you can see the patent leather detailing around the edges. And then you can also see it's on this strip here. And it has those same really cool zippers where you can expand the size. This one's not as large, as you can tell. In terms of size on this one is 6 inches in height, 10 inches in width, and 5 inches in depth. Check her out. This color is so pretty. And then these handles are patent leather as well. How shiny and cute is this little bag? Because it's suede, it's more of a winter bag or fall. I guess you can carry your bag whenever you want. But I could not beat the price. So let me tell you about this price. So at Nordstrom Rack, it was on sale for $159.97, regularly $414. On their website, it's on sale for $115. And if you sign up for their email, you get an additional 10% off. So I got this bag for like just under $100, or just about $100. It's regularly a $400 bag. Come on now. So let me just show you what's on the inside of this bag, or I will share with you first that this has a handle drop of, I think this one was 3 inches. And then this also has a detachable strap. Take the stuffing out of her. So she does come with the dust bag like you saw with the other bag. And it's of a cloth, pretty thick cloth that says Zadig and Voltaire. And, excuse me, let me just try to get this paper out. And on the inside, it has the patch like the other bag, has a zip pocket lined in leather. Here's the, I guess these are the care instructions for the bag. This one does not have that leather piece over the pocket like the other one. This one also does not have that extra pocket. So that leather piece that was here on the red bag is not in the smaller bag. So yes, this is the Sunny extra small. And here is her strap. She comes with the detachable strap as well. And the detachable strap on this one is, I believe, a 20-inch strap. And this one is in the patent leather. How cute is this strap? And it has the extra ribbing or attachment for the shoulder. And it also has that same substantial silver hardware and the turning detail. So I can't wait to wear this little mama. How cute is she? Again, a great sale. Let me show you the other bag so that I don't make this video too long. So as you can see, when I find a good sale and if it's something I like to get multiples. So this is the same bag, the small Sunny, actually the extra small Sunny. This bag is so cute. This one is in the color, I can't remember the exact color, but it's green, and I'll post the exact name of the color. They had it in a golden color too, but I already have a bag in that color, so I decided to get something I do have one bag in this color as well, but I only have one. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. So yeah, same bag. How cute is this bag? How cute is this color? How cute is this suede? How cute is this patent leather? And I cannot wait to wear this one either. Same setup. It has the green in the inside though instead of the plum. Has the dust cover. Another cutie. So I cannot wait to wear them. Zadig and Voltaire. I would go directly to their website if you're interested. But again, they do have the bags at Nordstrom Rack as well. But here we go. These are too cute. I can't wait to wear them. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate your support. Please like, comment, subscribe, and come back. Thank you for watching.